I just got done filming that Electrolux Silverado video, and I was going to do a video of this Hoover Concept 1. And you realize I'm in the family room of our house. I'm in here instead of in the living room because my brother is taking a nap, and this one is a bit louder than the Electrolux, and I don't want to wake him up. Because he can be a real pain in the ass when he gets woken up from his nap. So, this is the Hoover Concept 1 with power drive. I found it in the trash. It was sitting in the alleyway behind someone's house. This is one of my favorite vacuum cleaners. It's not my favorite because I like it because it's power drive and self-propelled, and I just like the way it looks. I'll sit down on this couch and give you a bit of a close-up. This thing is around 1981, about around the same time as my Electrolux Silverado. I'm going to go ahead and give a demonstration because my battery on my phone is getting low. Okay, we're all plugged in. This vacuum was very dirty when I got it. I had to take the bag off and change it. Had to change the other bag. Had to take this bag off and wash it, and I've also vinyl-X'd this bag. This vacuum was a little bit more hard. It was harder to take apart than a Hoover convertible because it's a bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up and see you in my next video.